Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and yes, I'm still ill. So, what do we have today? This is from an Exotic Nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is J Market or J Basket Japanese style noodle soup curry flavor, made in Korea for the US market. So Japan, Korea, US market. It's funny, it's made in Korea. It's Japanese style. There's no Korean text on it. But yes. So you might be wondering, why are you wearing a rain suit, Ramen Raider? Well, that's because it just came in the mail this morning. It's just cracking into 8 a.m. right now. Kids are still sick home from school. It's Monday now. Oh boy. I can't wait. They'll be going back to school sometime, and they'll be loving it. So will I. There's our powder soup, and our noodle, and our for sharing. Our dried flake. Okay, and then we add a little bit of water to the fill line. Where is the... Yeah, they're calling it a printed fill line. It's not printed, it's an indent. A minute and a half in the microwave. Yeah, been waking up, horrible sore throat, feeling crummy. But yesterday I got up early and felt like crap. Had some caffeine, had some, there we go. Woke up, had some caffeine, my vitamins, some Tylenol and ibuprofen. Forced myself out the door, walked 10 miles, felt better. But now I'm back to just after waking up. It's 8 a.m. Actually, I got up at, what, 6, so. And when I was out yesterday, I got some beverages at the dollar store, and they're only $1. That's pretty good. It's basically a bang drink, but it's got acetylcholine for focus. Wow. That's rad. I feel like I could calculate pi to the nth place. I won't though, just to save you guys the trouble. Look at that spoon. All right. It smells reasonably well. It's curry udon, and it didn't used to be J Market. It used to be either just called branded as JFC or Shirakiku. It's part of that big distributor thing that they have on the West Coast here. There's just tons and tons and tons of products. They're all from Japan, and I guess Korea too. Let's see. Yeah, you can see. You can see pretty good. Udon. This center part is kind of... Oh, there we go. Let's give it a try with this obstinate piece of udon noodle. Broth. Broth. Cool. So what do we add to this? Well, we, as in we, add kamaboko, because that's the way to do it. It's raining outside right now. It really came down yesterday. I went out in a t-shirt and shorts. I'm crazy like that. I don't care. I wonder if I'll be able to put my waist pack and speaker on with this getup. Let's add our wholly sliced spring onion. Sesame seed. I think that's that. I think this one likes to stay a little mellow. All right. There you go. Cool, well thanks for watching. Tomorrow we're gonna have another one from Exotic Nudes. Go to exoticnudes.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Nissan Raw miso flavor. Now there's the miso flavor and the umami miso. I believe they just took away the umami part. I don't know if there's a difference. The packaging all looks the same. I saw somebody saying something about how the umami one is better. I'm gonna guess that they're the same product. They just deprecated the name umami because people were like, what's that? Is that like seaweed or something? I don't know. I like the miso. So, I don't know. But anyways, catch the show tomorrow. You'll get to see me do that one up. Alright, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one.